everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Rooms to Go credit card account using your desktop in a quick and easy way. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser and begin. Go to the web address bar at the top of the screen and type in Rooms to Go credit card login and search. From the search results displayed on the next page, click on this first link that says Rooms to Go Home Furnishings Financing/Synchrony. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page over here. Click on the login button at the top right hand corner in order to end up in the login area. Type in your username inside the username text box. Make sure to type in your username correct and head over to the next field. Type in your password. You can double check your password by clicking on this little show link at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your username, you can click on Remember Username box. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave it unchecked before logging in. In case you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on I forgot my username or the password link and follow the instructions to look for either of them. Finally, after typing in all of your credentials and you're ready to log in, click the login button and you'll be logged into your Rooms to Go credit card account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box below if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Goodbye till then.